The demand for virtual desktops is skyrocketing, and both Bob and DJ are expected to deliver simple VDI solutions for globally distributed workspaces. For DJ, this is no problem because her company uses NetApp Cloud Volumes Edge Cache. This means users around the world can use centralized storage as if it was local. This makes DJ, her boss, and their global workforce very happy. Bob's company doesn't use Cloud Volumes Edge Cache, so his workspaces around the world each require dedicated storage, with lots of moving parts and redundant software. Bob also needs to spend time on backup, compliance, DR, and more at each site, for both user data and shared files. It gets even more complex when Bob factors in workflows and applications that require collaboration between sites. This makes Bob and his boss very nervous. DJ's Whiteboard, on the other hand, reveals a simple solution that actually is simple, a hub-and-spoke approach that connects all distributed workspaces. This means users around the world access centralized storage as if it was local. This makes collaboration a breeze because everyone is using the same data, with only one location for DJ to back up, manage, audit, and keep compliant. Even better, NetApp Cloud Volumes Edge Cache supports FSLogic storage containers, so everyone's data travels with them across the globe and caches automatically anywhere they go, which means a virtual desktop that delivers local performance. Cloud Volumes Edge Cache lets DJ keep things simple and keep plenty of white space on her whiteboard. Courtesy of NetApp, the cloud storage specialists.